Starting your own online business can be one of the most thrilling yet daunting experiences. I've been in the game for over a decade now, and trust me, I've seen my fair share of highs and lows. But through persistence, learning, and adapting, I've managed to build multiple successful businesses with various income streams. If you're ready to take the plunge and make your online business soar, here are 5 essential tips that I wish someone had shared with me when I was starting out. Let's dive in. Find your niche and own it. When you're just starting out, the online business world can seem overwhelming with its endless possibilities. The key is to find your niche, that sweet spot where your passion, skills, and market demand intersect. Think about what you love doing and what you're good at. Now, do some research to see if there's a demand for it. For instance, if you love baking and have a knack for creating unique recipes, consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page dedicated to baking tutorials and recipes. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to build a loyal audience. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond than a small fish in a vast ocean. Build a strong online presence. Your online presence is your digital storefront. It's the first thing potential customers see, so make it count. Here are some actionable steps to get started. Create a professional website. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website. Ensure it's mobile-friendly since a significant portion of traffic comes from mobile devices. Leverage social media. Choose the platforms that best suit your business. Instagram and Pinterest are great for visual content, LinkedIn is ideal for B2B services, and Facebook is good for community building. Post consistently and engage with your audience to build a strong community. SEO matters. Optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords, write high-quality content, and ensure your site loads quickly. Tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush can help you understand and improve your SEO performance. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the digital world. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates, high-quality content helps you connect with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Here are some tips to create engaging content. Know your audience. Understand their pain points, interests, and what kind of content they prefer. Create content that provides value and solves their problems. Be consistent. Develop a content calendar and stick to it. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Tell your story. People love stories. Share your journey, successes, and failures. It makes you relatable and helps build a deeper connection with your audience. Use visuals. Incorporate images, infographics, and videos into your content. Visuals can significantly increase engagement and make your content more shareable. Build and nurture your email list. An email list is one of your most valuable assets. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, and it's not subject to the whims of social media algorithms. Here's how to build and nurture your email list. Offer value. Provide a compelling reason for people to subscribe. This could be a free ebook, a discount, a free trial, or exclusive content. Use email marketing tools. Platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber can help you manage your email list and automate your campaigns. Segment your list. Not all subscribers are the same. Segment your list based on their interests, behavior, or demographics to send targeted and relevant content. Engage regularly. Send regular newsletters, updates, and personalized content to keep your subscribers engaged and interested in your business. Stay adaptable and keep learning. The online business landscape is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be adaptable and committed to continuous learning. Here's how. Stay updated. Follow industry blogs, podcasts, and influencers to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Invest in learning. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read books related to your niche and business. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer a plethora of courses on various topics. Experiment and pivot. Don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies and ideas, track your results, and be ready to pivot if something isn't working. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Here's a bonus tip for you: network and collaborate. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other entrepreneurs. Collaboration can help you reach a wider audience and add value to your business. Remember, your network is your net worth. Starting an online business is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. By finding your niche, building a strong online presence, creating high-quality content, nurturing your email list, staying adaptable, and networking, you'll be well on your way to success. Implement these tips today and watch your online business take off. Remember, the road to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay persistent, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. You got this.